Imagine this, every single second, your body shrinks by exactly 1 centimeter. Sounds like a bizarre sci-fi experiment, right? But what if it actually happened to you? How long could you survive, and what terrifying things would you face as the world around you gets bigger every second? At first, shrinking by 1 centimeter per second might not feel like a big deal. But think about it, in just 1 minute, you'd already be 60 centimeters shorter. In under 2 minutes, you would be less than half your original height. By the 5-minute mark, you would be smaller than a matchstick fragile, vulnerable, and surrounded by dangers you never noticed before. Everyday objects would become enormous obstacles. A simple step down from your bed would feel like falling off a cliff. A drop of water could hit you like a giant wave, and an insect crawling nearby could suddenly be a life-threatening monster. The once harmless ant could now appear like a giant predator, and the buzzing of a fly could feel like the roar of an aircraft. And then comes the harshest reality, your own body. As you shrink, your lungs, heart, and brain would get smaller too. Breathing would become harder because your tiny lungs could not take in enough oxygen. Your body temperature would drop faster, making you feel cold and weak. Within just a few minutes, your body would struggle to keep functioning at all. If somehow you survived this nightmare, the world would look like an alien planet. Dust particles would float around like boulders, grass would feel like towering trees, and raindrops would be as big as balloons falling from the sky. But here's the darkest twist. You wouldn't stop shrinking. Within an hour, you'd be so small you'd disappear from the human eye. Would you vanish into nothingness, or discover a new microscopic universe hidden beneath our reality? So, here's the chilling question. If you started shrinking right now, would you fight to survive in a giant-sized world, or accept that you are slowly fading into the unknown? If this mind-bending what if made you shiver, do not just disappear. Smash that subscribe button and like this video, because the next mystery will pull you even deeper into the impossible.